Greetings from Cleveland Marshall College of Law. I'm Barbara Andelman. I'm the Assistant Dean for Admissions and Financial Aid. And today I'd like to talk to you about letters of recommendation. One of the first things you'll want to do is make sure that you understand what requirements there are, if any, for recommendations that you're going to be submitting to law schools. Here at Cleveland Marshall, we require 2 letters of recommendation, but we don't have any requirements in terms of whether they need to be from professors or employers. More than anything, you want letters of recommendation from people who really know you well, who know your aptitude for the study of law, who know about your passion for becoming a lawyer, who can speak to your academic accomplishments and your intellectual accomplishments as well. If you are in college or grad school or have been recently, then you probably really want to have an academic letter of recommendation because that experience was very relevant and recent. In terms of the kinds of recommendations you might not want to get, if you can avoid, I would recommend not having someone that you've supervised, an employee, or a childhood friend who knows you to be just a fantastic person, but who can't really speak to your intellectual capabilities, or a famous person that they can't really speak to knowing you and your abilities. What I would recommend that you do is approach someone that you think you'd like to have write a letter of recommendation and ask them whether they would be willing. If they seem reluctant, take a pass. Find someone else. You don't want someone who's not enthusiastic about writing you a letter of recommendation. I would take them a copy of your resume, your personal statement if you have it, your transcripts if you had them in class, and anything else that you think might refresh their recollection about you and the things that you've done. And also you're making it easy for them. They'll have everything about you right there, and they'll be able to write a really impactful letter of recommendation. If you're a freshman or a sophomore or a few years away from applying to law school, then what you might want to do, if you find a favorite professor, is take a second class or a third class, get to know that professor, share with them your interest in going to law school and the ways that you think maybe the class will strengthen your skills for the study of law. And that way, when it comes time for you to request a letter of recommendation, you will have developed a very good relationship with that person, and they will surely say yes. So I wish you all the best, the very best from our Cleveland Marshall Law family to yours, and I hope to be reading your law school application.